Welcome back guys. In this video I'll be testing the sleep feature on my Rog Ally and Steam Deck. The sleep feature is very useful when we need to take a break from a gaming session for a short interval of time, for example a coffee break, or when someone is knocking at our door. On both of the devices, the sleep function has been assigned to the power button. Just press it in order to activate the sleep mode. When the system is in sleep mode, it will consume very little amount of power. You will be able to resume the system almost instantly. If the sleep function works properly, you should be able to continue the game from the same point where you left off last time. Now the thing is, sleep function is usually not recommended to be used with always online games. You may face a server disconnection issue. I faced this issue in Elden when I had the game's online mode enabled. In this video I'll be testing 6 to 7 AAA games on my Rog Ally and Steam Deck. We'll put the system to sleep for about 5 minutes, then resume the system to see whether I can continue the game from the same point where I left off last time. I'll kick things off with Rog Ally. First I'll run Spiderman Remastered. There's Spiderman. Game is running at 120 FPS. I have enabled FSR3 frame generation. Okay, so now I'm going to put the system to sleep. Just press the power button. Check back after 5 minutes. Alright, it has been 5 minutes. Let's wake up the system. Press the power key. And there's Spiderman. Game resume. Audio is not crackling. This can happen sometimes. Not in the case of Spiderman. See the frame pacing graph. Everything is working properly. Sleep function work. Now I'll test it on my Steam Deck. This is the LCD variant of Steam Deck. I've enabled FSR frame generation. FPS is close to 70. Overclock text display from 60 to 70 Hz. And just put the system to sleep. Press the power button. It's right here. Check back after 5 minutes. Timer started. It's been 5 minutes. Let's resume our gaming session. See what happens. Press the power button. Resuming. Connecting to Steam. Yeah, game is working. Okay, my controller got switched off. My bad. Reconnecting. Okay, it's not working. Finally worked. Game is running very nicely. Sleep feature work properly even on Steam Deck, as one would expect. Now I'll be testing the next game. No performance issues there. We'll be running Witcher 3 Wild Hunt on Rog Ally. There's Carol. I'm standing right outside the entrance of Novigrad. Here we're getting around 60 FPS. I have enabled frame generation via DLSS enabler mode. Let's put the system to sleep now. Check back after 5 minutes. Started the timer. Resuming the game after 5 minutes. Game minimized. Yeah, it's still running. Let's see. Paused. Automatically, I did not pause it. Yeah, still working. The same point. There's Roach, my horse. Play the game for a brief moment. No issues. Now I'll be testing the game on Steam Deck. Play. There's Carrot. Load the same sequence. There's Novigrad in the background. FPS here is around 40 to 44, not using frame generation. And just put the system to sleep. Check back after 5 minutes and just start the timer. It's been 5 minutes. I'll resume the game. Yeah, still working. Switch on my controller. Same performance, no issues. Audio is not crackling. Now I'll test the next game on Rog Ally.
Hey,
We'll be running Resident Evil 4 remake. Yes, Leon, just entered the village. You can see the crazy villagers. Burn the cop alive. Here FPS is around 55. Let's put the system to sleep. Wait for 5 minutes. Started the timer. It's been almost 6 minutes. I forgot to resume the game after 5 minutes. Let's quickly do this. Game is running in windowed mode. Still working. There you go, full screen. Oh, got punched there. Creating some space. Good to see game not crashing. Running it on Steam Deck now. There's Leon. Again I'll await the same sequence. Entering the village. Crazy villagers. Just waiting for them to run after me. Sky is busy. Free kill. And now I'll pause the system. Put it to sleep. Wait for 5 minutes. Started the timer. It's been almost 6 minutes on Steam Deck. Resume the game. There's Leon. Overlay is loading. There you go. Took a few seconds. My gamepad. It will take few more seconds. There you go. Everything is working properly now. So after resuming the game, just need to wait for a few seconds for everything to load up. Test the next game on Rog Ally. Ghost of Tsushima running on Rog Ally. There's Chill. I'm at Golden Temple. This game officially supports FSR 3.1. I have enabled frame generation. FPS here is around 80. Just put the system to sleep. Start the timer. It's been 8 minutes. Forgot to resume the game after 5 minutes. Let's do it now. There you go. Game got minimized. Still running. Just enable adrenaline overlay. Got disabled. Overlay should pop up soon. Press the hotkey again. There it is. Game did not crash. Stable performance, 80 FPS. Now I'll be testing it on Steam Deck. Play. There's Jin. Load the same sequence. Golden Temple. Enable FSR frame generation. FPS here is within a range of 55 to 60. Put the system to sleep. Start the timer. Wait for 5 minutes. Time to resume the game. Jin. Waiting for the overlay to load up. Turn on my gamepad. Game resumed almost instantly. Working. Audio is rendered properly. No crackling. I'll be testing the next game on Rog Ally. I'll start Elden Ring. I'll be running the game in online mode. Logged into the server. There's our character. Online mode. Put the system to sleep. Start the timer. Check back after 5 minutes. It's been slightly over 5 minutes. Resume the system. Game got minimized. Oh no, it crashed. It crashed, yeah. Game was running in online mode. It will be interesting to see how Steam Deck handles the game. Play. Logging into Elden Ring server. Online mode. Same sequence, graveside plane. I'll just put the system to sleep now. Check back after 5 minutes. Started the timer. It's been slightly over 5 minutes. Wake the system up. Okay, game is still running on Steam Deck. This is amazing. Did not crash. Everything is loading. Started my controller. Online mode is still working. Clear win for Steam Deck. Friend ahead. Performance is a bit rough. Nothing to do with the sleep feature. Expansion is quite demanding. I'll test the next game. Last but not least, Cyberpunk 2077. Running it on Rog Ally. We are in. Standing right outside Reed's apartment building. Not using frame generation. This game FPS is around 55 to 60. Put the system to sleep. Start the timer. Resume the game after 5 minutes. I forgot to resume the game after 5 minutes. It's been close to 7 minutes now. Game should still be working. There you go, controller got disconnected. I enable the adrenaline overlay. Keeps getting disabled. Control shift and O keys. And there it is. Yeah, game is working. Quickly kill the cops. Now I'll be testing the game on Steam Deck. Start the game. Repeat the same sequence. Here we're getting around 35 to 40 FPS. Just put the system to sleep. This is my phone. I need to start the timer. I'm a bit slow. Finally found the clock. Yeah, timer started. There you go, 5 minutes complete. Resume the game. Wake the system up. It's working. Reconnect the controller. It takes a few seconds. Cosmic Byte Stellaris. There you go. Everything is working properly. Few hiccups. Wait for a few seconds. So on Steam Deck, the sleep feature worked properly in all of the games, even in Elden Ring, running in online mode. On Rog Ally, only Elden Ring crashed when I resumed the system from sleep. On Ally, sleep feature should work properly in most of the single player offline games. Elden Ring was running in online mode. I think that's why it crashed, disconnected from the server. That's it with the video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.